Good morning. This is Chuck here from Styrene Bender's Garage. Hope y'all are having a good day so far. I figure, seeing as how I started this the other day on Cliff's live stream, GI Mechanic, that I should go ahead and do an introduction video to it. This will be for GI Mechanics and Jamie G's Yamaha motorcycle build. I'll have to get a link for it and get in the description. But let me show you what I got here. Now, this is a Tamiya kit. It's Yamaha YZR500. And where I'm at so far is I got some of the framework done here, or painted, not done. Got the engine assembly starting to go together and some of that getting painted up. And the rest of it remains yet in the box. Like I said, just got started on it. And we'll see how we do. This will only be the second motorcycle model that I've actually built. So we'll see where we go from here. Thanks for your time, and we'll see as things go along. Bye now. Y'all take care.